The Independent Commission for Infrastructure live streams its hearing for the first time on Tuesday, December 2, after months of public clamor. Last week, 4 members of the House of Representatives dodged the live streaming of their hearings by invoking a closed-door executive session. The first to break that pattern is Laguna 4th District Representative Benji Agarao, whose hearing was live-streamed. Top flood control contractors Sara and Curly Discaya claimed that Agarao extorted money from them, which the lawmaker denies. In one exchange, Reyes asked Agarao if he would be willing to surrender his phone records to the commission for investigation. Agarao quickly refused, saying his wife might get mad. He explains that he uses 2 phones, one for work and another for personal matters. In response, Reyes says,
"Kaya ayaw namin ng live streaming, naririnig ng mga tao tungkol sa asawa. Tiyatanong ko lang if you're willing to surrender the cellphone kasi nga po we are investigating everything na na-allege. Pasensya kayo kung natanong ko tungkol sa asawa ninyo. Kaya talagang ayoko ng live streaming talaga eh."